We had been looking to expand our business and had applied at a local bank for a loan. We applied for an SBA loan and we were turned down. So our loan officer told us about Hawkeye Management and said that you guys would definitely be able to help us out in getting the capital that we needed to expand our business and start our new company. So we were referred by the bank to Hawkeye Management, and the first thing they looked at was our credit history, which we looked really good on paper, but unfortunately we didn't have the assets or liquidity that we needed to make us look really presentable to the banks. So what Hawkeye helped us do was kind of buff us up and make us look very presentable, and then introduce us to the right loan officers that would accept our applications. Being a small business, we really didn't have the collateral to put up for a loan, and one of the great things was that Hawkeye was able to introduce us to lenders who didn't need collateral to process our loan. Hawkeye Management has allowed us to grow our business in a way that we've never been able to do before. We've been in business for 10 years, and we've just been progressively making our business better, but we haven't been able to expand the business. And so this capital that we've gained is now going to let us venture into things that I only dreamed of doing, which was actually creating a custom window treatment line that is going to be sold all over the country. And we're actually going to be able to do it, which I actually have the comfort of knowing that I have the money in my pocket to get this thing moving. And that's worth more than I can ever imagine.